Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to get notes in Messenger. If you're ready to enhance your Messenger experience and start using this cool feature, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. To start using notes in Messenger, follow these simple steps. First, make sure your Messenger app is updated to the latest version. You can check for updates on the App Store if you're using an iPhone or Google Play Store for Android devices. Once your app is updated, open Messenger. Go to the home screen where you see your recent chats. If the Notes feature is available in your region, you'll see a new plus Create Note option at the top of your feed. Tap on it to create a note. Now, you can type your note, which will be visible to all your friends or selected contacts, depending on your settings. It works kind of like a status update or pinned message. You can even choose who can see your note by adjusting the privacy settings before you post. After you're done, tap Post, and your note will appear at the top of your friends' Messenger feeds. Remember, notes are temporary and will disappear after 24 hours. So, make sure to update it regularly if you want to share new thoughts or info. And that's it! You now know how to get and use notes in Messenger. It's a great way to share quick updates or reminders with your friends. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what kind of Messenger tips you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.